Welcome everyone to the railroad. Today we've got a little bit of a maintenance job to do. Today we have a little bit of a maintenance issue, so we're going to do some upgrades and maintenance on the railroad. So come on along, let's play with trains today. So here is part of my issue today. I got these great little switches at the last Monroe train show we had. They're operable, so I'm going to use them on my yard setup here. And before we can do that, I've got to do a few improvements. Some of these have lost cross members, and one didn't even have the cross member with it, so I've got to build a new cross member. So we'll do some of that, and we'll have more fun here. We'll get started on this, and I'm going to change these 3 switches out. And I do not like having to reach all the way across here, so I'm going to attempt setting a switch here that will operate that. Maybe here. Yeah, that's probably as far as I want to go on a switch. Okay, let's get started.
They were a little damaged, so I have done some repairs on them. 2 of them were missing feet. One of them, it was just broken off, so I was able to replace that. I had to make a foot for the other one, so we did a little bit of custom work here. I did have a little bit of a problem doing the repairs because I did not have any sheet brass that was thick enough to work as a foot for one of these. So we fabricated. I took an old 30-30 rifle shell and split it, smashed it, and trimmed it. Then with the 2 pieces from that, I soldered them together, and voila, we have ourselves a new foot. Next, I soldered the 2 feet onto the stands and then added a little black paint. Next, I drilled the holes to the appropriate size for my wire connections. Next, we're back outside to secure the clearance boards and adjust the switches. After the switch is set, we go back inside to make the linkage arm. This one is a little longer than normal, so we had to prefabricate a long one. Once the linkage arm was made, we went ahead back outside and set the first switch, the mainline switch. Once that was set, then we went to the second yard switch, and then on to the third yard switch. Testing them all, and everything looks in good condition.
Okay, so here we have it. We have our 3 switches changed over from the little manuals to some real manuals. I like these. We can have them. Granted, you can't see this one if you're coming back down the line, but you've had to cross it because you're traveling that way anyway, so you'll know whether it's straight or curved. And then these are, of course, lined up as you would have them normally, either stop to go to the siding or straight through. Okay, and that concludes our little run for today. Bugs are getting bad. The temperature's getting hot. It's over 85 now. And I think I'm going to go in and cool off a little bit. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Click the little bell. It'll notify you when I post a new video. Right now I'm trying to post a new video every Sunday. So yeah, let's go run some trains.